During the time of COVID-19, I was starved for touch. A friend of mine called it skin hunger. I was alone for 2 months, pretty solid, and my body just really wanted touch. I felt ungrounded sometimes, and other times I just craved the touch of another human being. So I designed a workshop where I would offer 9 different tools for self-touch and receiving touch in different ways so that the body feels supported, that you can feel grounded, that you can even enhance and deepen in your pleasure, as well as move through any emotions that you're experiencing, heal trauma, and build your capacity and your resilience to move through challenging times. That's part 1 of the workshop, Somatic and Energetic Healing Touch, and part 2 is Ally with Your Wall. And if you've ever hit yourself against the wall a few too many times, this is a way to develop a different relationship with your wall, where you can feel the support of the wall in different ways, and also move through feelings of frustration, anger, irritation, hurt, or wounding through the use of different techniques with the wall to support boundaries and the expression of those emotions. It can also help to heal trauma from the past, where you may or may not have gotten to express certain emotions, and where you have different boundary breaks in your energy or in your life, that this is a practice that can help you to build stronger boundaries overall. Whether that's boundaries with relationships or in your relationships, or your limits with yourself, or your physical and energetic boundaries, what you allow into your space and what you do not. So that's Ally with Your Wall, part 2. And I hope you join me for one or both of these workshops, because these are tools that I use all the time. Even in my 13 years of really deep embodied healing, I come back to these really simple tools so that my body can feel more supported. The workshop really focuses on the experiential piece of how you can do these practices, but also where to guide your attention so that you can fully receive the touch and that your body can integrate it. So I'll guide you through many experiences where you can feel into these tools and use them in your daily life, as well as how to ground your awareness so that you can get the max benefit from it. So if you're interested, you can order the workshop at candicewu.com/touch.